Welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore the powerful mini cart widget, a smart WooCommerce feature that allows customers to view their cart instantly without reloading the page. It enhances user experience with a sleek drop-down or pop-up layout, making navigation faster and checkout smoother. Ready to upgrade your store's shopping flow? Let's get started. To begin using the mini cart widget, navigate to the Elementor editor and locate it in the widget panel on the left. Simply drag the widget and drop it anywhere on your page where you'd like the mini cart to appear. As soon as it's placed, a default layout will automatically load, giving you a structured starting point that's fully functional and ready for customization. Once the widget is on your page, turn your attention to the left-hand panel and open the Content tab. The first section available here is labeled Offcanvas. Within this section, you can customize the cart title to better reflect your brand or store identity. This allows you to create a more cohesive shopping experience right from the mini cart interface. Moving down, you'll find the mini cart settings section. Here, you can control the visibility of specific elements like the price amount and the cart icon using intuitive toggle switches. You can choose whether to display or hide these elements based on your design preferences or functional needs. Additionally, alignment options are available to position the mini cart to the left, center, or right of its container. You'll also find a control for adjusting the spacing around the cart icon, giving you finer control over the widget's appearance. The next group of settings is found under the Settings section. Within this panel, you'll be able to define the Offcanvas panel's position on the screen. You can also specify the height and width, allowing the cart to fit seamlessly into your site layout. Beyond basic dimensions, you'll encounter several behavioral toggle switches. These include options to have the mini cart open by default when the page loads, automatically close the cart after a short delay, and close it when users click outside the cart area. You can even set a specific delay time for the auto-close feature, giving you greater control over user interaction timing. For advanced styling, switch over to the Style tab. Here, the first section focuses on the main mini cart styling. You'll be able to personalize the amount color, icon color, and background color, helping you create a visual theme that aligns with your website's overall design. Additional controls allow you to add a border, adjust the border radius for rounded corners, and define padding for spacing. Typography settings are also available here to modify the font style, size, and weight of the text within the mini cart. Next, you'll find a dedicated section for customizing the cart badge. This badge typically displays the item count and can be fully styled with color and background settings. You can also adjust the badge size and fine-tune the typography to ensure readability and aesthetic balance. Continuing, the final styling section under the Style tab is titled Offcanvas. Within this section, there are two sub-tabs, one for the product list and another for Offcanvas settings. In the product list sub-tab, you can modify the color of the cart title and the border around it. You'll also have access to typography settings to style the cart title text just the way you like it. Further customization includes the ability to set the colors for product titles and hover states, ensuring that hover effects feel responsive and visually pleasing. Typography controls for product names allow for consistent branding and legibility. You can also style quantity and pricing information with specific color choices and typography settings, tailoring the mini cart down to the smallest detail. When it comes to product images, you can define a border style and set the radius to control how the images are framed. These settings help maintain visual harmony throughout the cart. Subtotal label and amount colors can be adjusted as well, along with their respective font styles, making it easy to highlight the total cost in a way that matches your theme. The View Cart button is fully customizable, with options for text color, background color, hover states, padding, border radius, and even box shadow effects to give it a unique and appealing look. Similarly, the Checkout button offers full styling flexibility, including border and shadow settings that help draw attention to this critical call to action. At the bottom of the product list, you'll find styling controls for the Product Remove button. You can adjust its color, hover effects, background styles, and overall spacing. This ensures that even the delete action maintains visual consistency within the widget. Finally, switching to the Offcanvas subtab, you'll find controls for changing the background color of different elements, such as the content area, individual items, and item hover states. Box shadow options are also available for adding depth and contrast. Padding and margin settings give you even more spacing control, while the footer background can be styled with a custom background type to complete the look. Once you're done, hit Publish and preview your changes to see them live. That's how easily you can customize the mini cart widget in Ultimate Store Kit, giving you full control to match its design and behavior with your store's style. Take time to experiment with the styling options to create a seamless, engaging, and branded shopping experience for your customers. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching Ultimate Store Kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful widget tutorials. See you in the next one.